The Serum Institute of India has reduced the price of Covishield vaccine from 400 rupees to 300 rupees per dose for states. This was announced by Serum Institute of India CEO Adar Poonawalla on Wednesday. As a philanthropic gesture on behalf of Serum Institute of India, I hereby reduce the prices to the states from 400 rupees to 300 rupees per dose, effective immediately. This will save thousands of crores of state funds going forward. This will enable more vaccinations and save countless lives, Poonawalla wrote in a tweet. The development comes at a time when there has been a raging debate over the pricing of vaccines in the country. The government had earlier asked the Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech, makers of the two vaccines currently in use in India, to lower their prices, news agency PTI reported on Monday, quoting official sources. Maharashtra, which is facing lockdown-like restrictions till May 1st, will see an extension of the curbs for another fortnight as the state continues to report large number of coronavirus cases, State Health Minister Rajesh Tope has said. The official announcement is expected soon. The lockdown will be extended by 15 days, Tope said to the reporters. The Maharashtra government on Wednesday decided to provide anti-COVID-19 vaccines for free to the people in the age group of 18 to 44 years, Tope said. However, he clarified that the vaccination of ages 18 to 44 won't begin from May 1st as announced by the centre. Tope further said that I want to request the young population, please use CoWIN app. You will be able to get vaccinated after registration only. No walk-in inoculation will be allowed. Micro-planning is in process. The centers for 18 to 44 will be different. There will be dedicated for the particular age group, he said. This decision was taken at the cabinet meeting chaired by Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray in Mumbai. Given the acute scarcity and exponential demand for oxygen due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday sanctioned the procurement of 1 lakh portable oxygen concentrators from the PM CARES Fund. The decision was taken at a high-level meeting chaired by PM Modi to discuss the measures needed to improve liquid medical oxygen supply for COVID-19 management. The PM instructed that these oxygen concentrators should be procured at the earliest and provided in states with high case burden. In addition to the earlier sanctioned 713 PSA plants under PM CARES Fund, 500 new pressure swing adsorption oxygen plants have been sanctioned under the PM CARES Fund. An audio clip of Karnataka Food and Civil Supplies Minister Umesh Katti's asking a farmer to die has raised a storm in the state's political circle. The clip, in which Katti is heard telling a farmer association member in Gadag, "It's better you die," has gone viral now, and opposition leaders have sought an apology from the minister. The farmer seemed to have called up the minister to inquire about lowering the quantity of rice being given via the public distribution system from 5 kg to 2 kg. He further said that with livelihoods lost over the last 1 year, many are in distress and this would not be enough. The minister is heard saying more food grains will be distributed as the central government has assured of more supplies for the next 2 months in view of the current restrictions imposed to contain the spread of coronavirus. The farmer then asked him when would that be coming, to which Katti said next month. When the farmer then said how would they manage till then and asked, do we die? The minister replied, it's better you die. Backing the government in battle against raging second wave of coronavirus, the Indian Air Force has ordered round-the-clock readiness of its entire heavy lift fleet and substantial numbers of its medium lift fleets to rapidly meet COVID-19 related tasks across the country and overseas, Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadauria informed Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday. Bhadauria also told Modi that the Air Force is deploying big as well as medium-sized aircraft to cover all terrains, the PMO said in a statement. Modi spoke about the need to ensure that the IAF personnel are engaged in COVID-related operations while taking ample precautions to stay safe from infection. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.